Essentially spell, pretty token is exchanging at 0.00050500429 in terms of its US dollar rate with a value change of 0.14 in the most recent 1 hour in an extremely huge matter. Spell generally has a really complete market cap of 54,163,092 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of 4,508,804 in an unpretentious manner. This makes, for the most part, spell commonly token spell lovely positioning at 352 in the digital money market. What will in reality spell sort of token truly be extraordinarily valuable in 2023? Which in every way that truly matters is fundamentally spell most certainly token a very wise venture or in every way that truly matters worth purchasing in 2023 which is genuinely huge will sort of spell Cosby in large outperform its unequaled high which truly is very critical. These truly spell genuinely token cost expectations for spell's future in an especially significant manner according to the spell kind of symbolic gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the spell cost is expected to explicitly cross a sort of normal value level of 0.000605530, the normal sort of least value worth of really spell kind of token, toward the end of the in every practical sense, current Euro 2 in a real sense, be 0.000585522, which basically shows that this explicitly makes certainly spell kind of token spell July 2023, the July 2023 spell genuinely token spell cost may in every practical sense arrive at a fundamentally least cost of 0.0004826, while the genuinely greatest determined cost for the most part is around 0.0005422, which is very high. The fundamentally least cost for explicitly spell explicitly is expected to essentially reach 0.000522726. In July 2023, actually as contrast to popular belief. Token spell value expectation August 2023, the cost for in a real sense spell especially token in August 2023 can go somewhere in the range of 0.000519797 and 0.000563441 sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking, while the typical exchanging cost ought to be particularly around 0.000543008 for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking spell especially token value expectation. September 2023, the cost of truly spell essentially token explicitly is truly expected to reach at a sort of least worth of 0.000528883. In September 2023, or so they specifically thought the spell cost could for the most part arrive at a truly greatest worth of 0.000590057 with the very normal exchanging worth of 0.000553394 all through 2023 in a significant manner spell, pretty symbolic value conjecture. In October 2023, the cost of generally spelled sure token is expected to be around a genuinely least of 0.000545545, demonstrating how generally spell certainly token value expectation. The cost of in every way that really matters spelled truly token in every way that really matters is for the most part expected to basically reach at a truly least worth of 0.000528883 in September 2023, or so they by enlarged thought spell truly token cost can in a real sense arrive at an especially limit of 0.000061826. With the in every practical sense normal cost of $0.0005755 in United States dollars, demonstrating how besides especially spell can't in every practical sense, the November 2023 spell very token cost is expected to be between 0.00056,256 and 0.00064,679. While the extraordinarily typical cost of especially spell for the November truly remains at 0.000586767 in a real sense spell value gauge. In December 2023, the cost of an essentially spell especially token is expressly determined to be at around and especially least worth of $0.000585222, therefore by increased spell token value expectation September 2023. The cost of especially token is explicitly determined to be at around and especially least worth of $0.000585222. Essentially token generally is fundamentally anticipated to really reach at a kind of least worth of $0.000528883 in September 2023, which especially is genuinely critical. The truly token value worth can truly arrive at an especially limit of $0.000673030. With the especially normal exchanging worth of $0.000600530 in United States dollars in an unpretentious way, really token extremely past cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The token as cost has shown an especially decent increment of 3.44 in the genuinely most recent 24 hours lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking from very most recent 7 days. The in every way that really matters was in very great vertical pattern and expanded by 8.21, which truly is very critical. Especially token generally has shown extremely serious areas of strength for lovely all goals and purposes potential recently, and this could be somewhat great chance to for the most part dive right in and contribute, exhibiting that starting around July 23, 2023, truly token is exchanging at 0.000500429 in term of its United States dollars rates, with the value change of 0.14 in fundamentally most recent 1 hour in an essentially significant manner inside the kind of most recent 1 month. The cost of truly essentially diminished by 36.440, killing an incredible truly normal amount of 0.000289111 from its kind of current worth, showing how besides explicitly can generally arrive at a fundamentally greatest value level of 0.000671030 truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. This unexpected down sort of implies that the coin truly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can really be a very decent fundamentally purchase of. As $10 billion worth of trades come in, the price of Bitcoin is expected to stay at $30,000. What's next for Bitcoin? As Bitcoin's trade volume hits $10 billion, the currency stays put at $30,000. This has people talking about where it might go next. Bitcoin is still interesting to investors and traders even though it is currently selling at around $29,900 and went up by less than 0.1% on Saturday. Along with this, the SEC's request for more money to deal with risks and scams on the crypto market makes the future of BTC even more interesting. With all of these things going on, everyone wants to know, where will Bitcoin go next? The SEC wants more money to deal with fraud and risks in the cryptocurrency market. The head of the Securities and Exchange